nothing in there. Totally burnt. Steering wheel gone. Nothing. Motor, I'm assuming, doesn't work anymore, of course. But it's pretty bad. You know, I don't even have a mask, but shit. I think I'm just gonna. Yeah, it's pretty bad. This building, I mean, it just completely went down. Completely went down.